Welcome to my engineering drawing playlist. Today I'll be explaining projections of planes, especially the concept. So in this session we are going to see concept of projection of planes, then information required about the plane, next position of plane with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane, next types of planes, and at last we will see plane in first quadrant with respect to HP and VP. So let's see. We have seen this slide in the projection of points chapter, and this is actually the chapter of projection of plane. So only in case of projection of point, this is actually the object which is actually point, whereas in case of projection of plane, the object is actually plane. That is only the difference. So in case of projection of planes, there are various planes figures which are actually the objects, and the shape can be like this: triangle, square, hexagon, circle, rectangle. So these are the different planes that we are going to discuss in the chapter of projection of planes. So basically we are going to assume that the plane is actually the 2D figure. That means having the 2-dimension figure, the thickness is actually ignorable. Now what is usually asked in the problem of projection of plane? To draw the projections of planes means you have to draw the front view and top view. Now see what will be the given information about the plane. So first one, description of the plane figure. That means its position with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane. So very simple, with the help of the position of the plane with respect to HP and VP, you have to draw the projection of that plane. That means the front view and top view. So let's see the description about the surface, or you can say the plane, and its inclination with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane by the pictorial view. So let's see first of all the types of planes. So basically there are two types of the planes: principal planes and auxiliary planes. Principal planes, that means you can say horizontal plane and vertical plane. So basically there are two principal planes, horizontal and vertical plane. So here you can see this is the vertical plane and this one is the horizontal plane. So these both are the planes considered as a principal planes. Auxiliary planes once again divided in three groups: auxiliary vertical plane, auxiliary inclined plane, and profile plane. Auxiliary vertical plane is also called as the AVP. So from the name itself indicate it is actually the vertical plane, but it is actually inclined to the vertical plane. That's why it is called as auxiliary vertical plane. Here you can see this plane is actually the vertical plane, but it is inclined with the VP. That's why it is called as the auxiliary vertical plane. So we can say this plane is perpendicular to HP. Here you can see, but it is inclined to VP, and that inclination is generally indicated by phi. Next here, auxiliary inclined plane. That means once again it is actually inclined to HP. Here it is inclined to VP. That's why it is AVP. This plane is actually inclined to HP. So here you can see the plane is inclined to HP, but it is perpendicular to VP. So this plane is known as AIP. So you can see it is perpendicular to VP. Here you can see, but it is inclined to HP, and that is generally indicated by theta. And profile plane, that means the plane perpendicular to VP as well as HP. So it is like this: plane is perpendicular to both VP and HP. That is known as profile plane. Sometimes it is known as side plane. So we are going to consider the position of the plane with respect to HP and VP generally, but sometimes the description of the plane with respect to AVP and AIP also. Now let's take first case, surface parallel to HP. So if you see the surface that is parallel to HP, that means parallel to horizontal plane. So it will be like this. Now in this case, if you see the front view, then it will be projected on the vertical plane, and so that it will be the line on the vertical plane. So this is called as front view. Now see the top view, and so that you can see the true shape of the plane, and that will be the rectangle on the horizontal plane. So it will be like this. So this is the top view. Now draw it by the orthographic view. So it is like that. Below XY there is a top view, and above XY there is a front view. So it is like this. So it is a very simple figure for the plane which is parallel to HP, and so that this is the projection of the plane parallel to HP. Now see the second case, if the surface is inclined to HP. So in this case the surface is like this, which is inclined to HP at certain angle. Now see for the front view. So it will be the line which is inclined at certain angle to this XY, or you can say to the horizontal line. Now for the top view, you can see the rectangle, but this rectangle is a little bit shorter than the actual length of this rectangle. That's why it is called as the apparent view, and this is actually top view. So if you draw the orthographic projection, then above XY there is a front view, and below XY there is a top view. So it is like this. So if you see over here, in the first case, if the plane is parallel to HP, you can see in the top view true shape. But if it is inclined to HP at certain angle, then the top view will be considered as a apparent view. That means there is a little bit shorter length of this rectangle. Now consider one small side is inclined to VP. So it is like this, one small surface, that means this one is inclined to VP. So here you can see. Now if you see the front view, then you can see this type of the view on the vertical plane. That is the front view, and top view you can see like this. So once again, for the orthographic view, the top view is below XY, and this is this, and here you can see the shape is like this, and above XY there is a front view. So this is actually the simple method for the projection of plane. Next time we will see exactly the problem based on the projection of plane, and that can be asked in your examination. So at last, is it helpful to understand concept of the plane's position? Write your answer in the comment box. Thanks my dear friends for watching this video. Press the like button to appreciate it.